Are you puzzled by the terms double hung and single hung windows while considering upgrades for your home? Let's clear up the confusion and help you make an informed decision for your next window replacement project. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're diving into the world of windows to discuss double hung and single hung window options, what they are, their pros and cons, and how to choose the best one for your home. Let's start off with double hung windows. These windows are a favorite among homeowners for their flexibility and functionality. Each window consists of two sashes that slide up and down independently. This dual action capability allows for exceptional ventilation, but the benefits don't stop at airflow. Double hung windows are designed with convenience in mind. Both sashes tilt inward, simplifying the cleaning process. This means you can easily maintain both the inside and outside of your windows without the need for ladders or external help. It's a perfect solution for those hard-to-reach places in your home. These windows are always great for energy efficiency. Many models come with advanced weather stripping and the option for double or triple pane glass filled with inert gas, minimizing heat transfer. This ensures your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, potentially lowering energy costs. But it's not just about practicality. Double hung windows also offer a classic aesthetic that can complement any style of home, from historic to contemporary. With a wide array of materials, finishes, and hardware options, you can customize these windows to perfectly match your home's decor. Moving on to single hung windows. They're best known for being simple and efficient. Unlike their double hung counterparts, single hung windows feature a stationary top sash and a movable bottom sash. This streamlined design not only contributes to a classic look, but also offers its own unique set of advantages. Security is a notable benefit of the single hung windows. The fixed top sash adds an extra layer of security, making it more challenging for potential intruders to access your home through the window. For families looking for peace of mind, this can be a significant deciding factor. From a budget perspective, single hung windows are generally more cost-effective than double hung windows. The simpler mechanism and fewer moving parts mean lower manufacturing costs, savings that are often passed down to the homeowner. This makes single hung windows an attractive option for those looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. In terms of energy efficiency, single hung windows hold their ground. Like double hung windows, they can be equipped with energy-saving features, such as low-E glass and argon gas fills. Plus, with only one operable sash, there's less risk of air leakage over time, which can contribute to more consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. Lastly, the aesthetic appeal of single hung windows cannot be overlooked. Their traditional design is versatile, easily fitting into various home styles. They offer a clean, unobstructed view from the top sash, making them an excellent choice for rooms where you want to maximize natural light and enjoy the scenery. Choosing between double hung and single hung windows depends on what you value most for your home. Double hung windows are great for letting lots of air in and easy cleaning, since you can move both the top and bottom parts, and tilt them for easy access. Single hung windows, on the other hand, are more budget friendly because they have a simpler design with only the bottom part moving. While double hung windows can be a bit pricier, they offer more flexibility and convenience. If you're looking to save money and still get quality windows, single hung windows might be the way to go. Both types can match your home style, so your choice really comes down to ventilation needs and how easily you want to clean your window versus saving on the cost of a single hung window. Now that you know the difference between single and double hung windows, you might be curious what replacement windows could cost you. Well, check out the article linked above that will outline how much replacement windows cost and what factors most affect that cost, like window type, installation, and warranty. Thank you for joining us and learning about the differences between single and double hung windows. For more insights into the latest home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.